The rainy season has come.
It's raining, man. Hallelujah. It's raining, man.
Because I talked to them at what, like 2:10? I told them it was going to be about 20 minutes. And you know, the other thing is, if it's raining there, they're going to be like, Mom's out driving in the rain.
Mama messes them, let them know we don't want home with you.
We could probably speed up a little bit more.
Really?
Yeah, look. The rain's dying down.
Yeah, well, I got a turn right here, so why the hell am I going to speed up?
I don't know.
Well,
These
guys,
people want to drive faster than too fucking bad.
at least we got it done.
Jeez, that entire corner's already underwater.
Yeah.
You know, they sit in the truck.
Thinking I ain't digging no goddamn hole. Look at this shit. I want to know how long it's been raining here because it's been coming down hard. It ain't been raining here that long because it wasn't raining when we talked to them at 2:10.
No, she said it had just started to sprinkle.
Yeah. Now, did it rain here? Who knows? But I bet you this has just been 20 minutes of fucking heavy downpour.
Non-stop. That's all it is.
Heavy downpour, the water has no place to go.
Look, it's sitting.
Look at this right here. That's no extra driveway.
Man, even their driveway is flooded.
What do you mean their driveway? That's the whole side of the road.
Oh man, look how slowly they're going.
Uh-huh.
That guy also could be turning.
I don't care. You driving into this crap?
It's busting out of them.
Holy moly.
Well, at least we got them done with our yard before we got stuck.
Right?
Yeah. Usually don't see water like that down here. Look at this.
Oh,
here.
man. Is it?
There. Look. Look at that whole yard.
Oh, you bloody.
See, when it rains like that, we can't mow anymore because we can't get on the yard.
Oh, no.
If it's a little rain and... But
I wouldn't even put my foot in that water.
we know our yards that get like this in a hurry. That's why if it's just sprinkling, we're good. And when it starts doing this shit, even if it's gonna stop in 30 minutes, you're done. It don't matter if it's gonna stop in 30 minutes or not.
You can't put
Done.
nothing on it.
It's not gonna go away fast enough. This shit just make big old ruts.
Not even that.
It just won't.
You can't see your line and you can't hit it right.
Oh my
Your
god.
lines, 'cause you have big ass dirt ruts.
But what I'm saying is, what, you're gonna let the road right through that shit?
Hell no.
I know you.
I mean, we drove the mowers through a flooded street like that once. Once.
Probably having fun, but
Yeah,
not.
A little bit.
Oh.
it wasn't fun.
Yeah, it was.
Look at that.
Holy.
Look at that. That's it.
Someone's got drainage wrong up here. Shouldn't be going around that road like that, or down the road.
No, it shouldn't be going down the road. They probably had the swale wrong.
Or they need to put a culvert in there. See, this isn't right. This isn't right running across the road. Someone got it wrong. How'd you like this yard right here? They're definitely graded wrong. This is when you go look for property. Right after
Right.
this shit stops. Then you go, yep, not that one. Not that one. Not that one.
Oh man.
This is ridiculous. The county screwed up when they put this road in.
We need grandpa back on the grading tractor.
Should have left it as a dirt road.
I
At
know,
least
right?
fix
was
it
higher.
after it. But no, they didn't put
These
any
people
of
did
these.
the whole, Lime Rock Road down in their yard.
Yeah.
I hope that little chicken isn't getting wet. I was gonna take a big piece of cardboard and put over her, but I think you guys all took the cardboard out.
I'll put something over there when we get it.
Is there another piece of cardboard down there, like a big box?
I'll put a top over. I'll find something.
Hopefully Kim probably put something over
Fuck
it.
no.
No, because I pulled her all the way up to the porch so that the water didn't come off the house.
As much. Oh,
Yeah.
this will be a good. Oh my goodness!
We're gonna put dry.
That was
Feel.
dry this morning.
Yeah, you feel.
That was all dry this morning. Now I can swim in it.
Hell no.
Now you can swim in it now.
No, we don't need big worms.
In the mud pits is where you get pinworms. Not so much in there. Because it's lime rock.
Grandma, I'm happy that I've been blowing out my socks and empty them now. I told her, I said, I don't want to get bring them cut my clothes. I said, that make me feel bad. And he don't. Oh, it does. That should make me feel bad when I know that my clothes ain't Let's see all the.
Derek, you want to jump out and get the mail?
Hell to the fuck no.
Sure, why not? I'll do it.
No.
Because you look and see how far out this water is from the mailboxes.
I don't know. What do you think I got my shoes off for? Sure? Okay, yeah. Thank you. Your hand was right up.
I lived here long enough.
We gotta get you one of those little vacuum things around here. Stand up for you.
A what?
One of those little comfy things for Dollar Tree.
You better pick up a little bit more
Around
speed
what?
to get through here.
Around what?
Might be stand up. Is that what I'm saying? One of those stand wheel covers.
I told Kim to put one on before this all tore down.
But I want to get you a fuzzy one.
No.
Yeah.
No.
A fuzzy steering wheel in a mowing truck.
Yeah.
No.
How much crap will be all over it?
For comfort.
How much
not for looks.
Comfort my butt.
I won't put it on there, I'll tell you that.
Recycle bins, you're gonna have to wait a little while.
Yeah, we can change the blades in the morning.
I think.
Hopefully the inside of their house didn't get wet.
Yeah, it's covered, supposedly.
Oh.
Come on, guys, go ahead and lay down underneath there. Big metal tools.
Yeah, they took the truck,
Oh.
so they don't know what they done.
Park the truck up here.
Huh?
Don't park so far down there. You might get stuck.
How about right here?
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna have to